Good morning to all. The last day I gave two assignment. If A is equal to matrix -1, 5, -3, 2, verify result and find A inverse. So, determinant adjoint of A is the main diagonal elements interchange. Then in the place of -2, -1 become 2 and 2 become -1. Off diagonal elements sign change -5 plus 3. Then A inverse is equal to -1 into determinant of A is equal to -1 into 2 -2 minus of minus plus 15, then 13, 1 by 13 into adjoint of A. Similarly, determinant of second question 1 into 4, 4 minus 3 into 2, 6, minus 2, 1 by -2 into main diagonal elements interchanging. Then 4, 1, main diagonal interchanging, off diagonal sign changing, -2, -3. This is the answer. Find A inverse. If A is equal to determinant 1, 1, 2, 1 minus 2, 1, 2 minus 1, 2. So, question, find A inverse if A is equal to 3 by 3 matrix, square matrix. So, formula, what is A inverse in terms of determinant and adjoint of A is what? Remember, A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint. Remember the formula, A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint. Remember, adjoint is what? Transpose of the adjoint is what? Transpose of the cofactor matrix. Transpose of the cofactor matrix. So, we cofactors of the elements. A11, 1 plus 1 is 2, even positive, into M11. One into delete the row and column containing this. Determine -2, 1, -1, 2 is equal to, delete the row, M11 is the determinant deleting the row and column by determinant obtained by deleting the row and column by this element. So, we get a determinant 2, 1, -1, 2. 2 into -2, -4. -1 into 1, plus 1. -4 plus 1 is equal to -3. A12 is equal to sum of the suffixes 1 plus 2, 3 minus into minor of 1, 2 is equal to minus, delete the row and column containing the element A12, this cutting, then we get a 1, 1, 2, 2 minus 1 into is equal to 1 into 2, 0. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. A13 is equal to 1 plus 2 suffix sign is positive into M13. Determinant, deleting the row and the column, first row, third column, then we delete the first row and the third column, we get a 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1. Result is 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus into minus of minus 4 is equal to 5. 1 plus 4. Similarly, A21 is equal to sign is negative. M21. Delete the second row and the first column. Then we get a determinant 1, 2 minus 1, 2. 1, 2 minus 1, 2. Result is negative into 2 minus of minus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 2 plus 2, 4 and minus 4. A22 is equal to sign is positive. M22. Delete the second row and the second column. 1, 2, 2, 2. Result is 2 minus 2 into 2, 4 minus 2. Similarly, A23, negative sign into determinant obtained by deleting the row and the column containing this one. Second row and the third column, 1, 1, 2 minus 1 is equal to minus sign minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 plus 3. A31 is equal to suffix is even number 3 plus 1 4 a positive. M3 minor of the element 3 1. Then we get delete the third row and the first column. Then we get 1, 2 minus 2, 1 is equal to 1 minus 4 is equal to 5. A32, negative is the sign into M32. M32 delete third row and the second column delete. Then we get a determinant 1, 2, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1, 1 is equal to 1 into 1 negative 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1, 1. Similarly, A33 sign is positive. 3 plus 3 is even number. Into M33, delete the row and third row and the third column. 1, 1, 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 3. So, adj is equal to transpose of the cofactor matrix. Then A11 is what? Minus 3. A12 0. A13 5. Next column we write A21 minus 4. A22 minus 2. A23 3. A31 5. A32 we get 1. A33 minus 3. This is the adjoint of A. Then find the determinant of A. determinant of A is equal to A11 into cofactor of the element A12 into cofactor A12, A13 into cofactor of that element 13 is equal to A11 is 1 into capital A11 minus 3 plus A12 is 1 into capital A12 0 plus A13 is equal to 2 into A13. A13 we get a 5. So result minus 3 plus 10 is equal to 7. So A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint. Then we get a 1 by 7 into adjoint of A. Minus 3 minus 4 5 0 minus 2 1 5 3 minus 3. If A is equal to 2, 1, 3, 4, minus 1, 0, minus 7, 2, 1. Find A inverse. So first you find a formula. What is A inverse? A inverse is, remember, 1 by determinant of A into adjoint. Adjoint is equal to 1 by determinant of A is equal to A11 into A11 plus A12 into A12 plus A13 into A13. A11 element is what? 2 into A11 sign positive into, delete the row and column containing, we get a minus 1 0 2 1 plus 1 into sign is negative, delete the row and column containing first row and second column, then we get 4 0 and minus 7 4 into 1 minus 0 plus 3 into positive sign into M13, delete the first row and the third column, we get 4 minus 1 minus 7 2, 4 into 2 8 minus into minus plus 7, then we get 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 0 minus 2, 4 into minus 4 plus 3. So, minus 6 plus 3 is equal to minus 3. So, from here the result is A11 is minus 1 cofactor and second one is A12 is equal to, we get minus 4, and A13 is equal to, cofactor of the element 13 is equal to 3 into plus 1 into 1. Similarly, find A1, 2, 1. 2, 1 is negative into minor of the element 4. Delete the second row and first, we get a 1, 3. 2, 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 into 1, 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5 plus 5. A22 is equal to sign is positive, M22, delete the second row and second column, 2, 3, minus 7, 1, result is 1 into 2, 2 minus of minus 7, 21, 2 plus 21 is equal to 23. A23 is equal to 2 plus 3 odd numbers, sign is negative, into delete the row and column containing second row and third column, 2, 1 minus 7, 2 is equal to minus 4 minus of minus plus 7 is equal to minus 11. A31 is equal to 3 plus 1 for even number positive. Delete this third row and first column, 1, 3 minus 1, 0 is equal to 0 minus of minus plus 3, 3. A32 is equal to negative sign into delete the third row and second column, determined obtained for third column, third row, second column, 2, 3, 4, 0. We get a 0 minus 12 minus of minus plus 12. A33 is equal to positive. Delete the third row and third column, determined 2, 1, 4 minus 1 is equal to minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. Then adjoint of A is equal to Aij, transpose of the cofactor matrix. A11 we get a minus 1, A12 4, A13 1, A21 5, A22 23 and A23 minus 11, A31 3, A32 12 minus 6. then A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint. Substitute 1 by determinant of A, we got minus 3 into adjoint of A, minus 1, 5, 3, 4, 23, 12, 1, minus 1, minus 6. This is the inverse. Homework assignment. If A is equal to 1 minus 1, 2, 0, 2, minus 3, 3, minus 2, 4. Find A inverse. Second question. If A is equal to 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4. Find A inverse. This is in your textbook, example 24, page 129. So remember this two assignment. Example 24, page of textbook, page 129. The second question. First is, if A is equal to matrix 1 minus 1, 2, 0, 2 minus 3, 3 minus 2, 4. Find A inverse. I stop here.